Mina, I love Unandi from the bottom of my heart. Andifuna ukuhluka noNandi. Asenza umzekelo ngo-December last year. I said to Nandi, I'll show you I can stop drinking. And I stopped 4 months or 3 months or whatever months. But I did not get the love back. And I'm like, so ngumantini. And not so many people know. Abona ichomi yakho one thing. When we disagree, like last time, at any time.
I've tried, clearly I'm not a good thrower because I have not succeeded. If been successful in throwing stuff, there would be scars showing it.
Ndikufile phela. Ndizawucela wena usixelele uba zintoni ongazithandiyo ezenziwa nguBhele, because there are so many things azithethileyo mna that I do not condone uba xa kukhona othi xa inomsindo kwazi uthatha into phambi kwakhe abethe ayonto right leyo friend ne iyandothusa lento because not even kayi-1 sike sathetha ngayo nomhlobokazi wam. Ndandiza kuyinqanda ngalo mzuzu because akusiyona into right. Because if ibinganguBhele othatha into akubethe ngeseziseleni awukho seziseleni wena because uyakucingela because ungunkosikazi wakhe.
I'm not sure about that because there were many times I could have gotten him arrested, but I just chose to fight back because andizolinda amapolisa that could take I don't know how many hours to get to my house. Personally, I couldn't care. He could stand on the roof on his head and whistle through his bum and
friend, awuzina solution kule nto esiyithethayo. Ukhala ngantoni?
Ndine issue nokusela kwakhe and then the behavior because it's that behavior that got us to where I'd be so frustrated. Nale class ngeseyifikile kuye. Do you get what I mean? So there's that behavioral patterns. Sometimes you will really do things that will frustrate me to a point where you're endangering our lives. It's like your behavior once you drink, you become something else. I think where we are, we've outgrown each other because there's just some things in Mkomba.
No, you've outgrown
it's
me.
like,
Don't say we've outgrown each other. I've not outgrown
okay, Buambelen, if you had not outgrown me or...
Okay.
And I realized that I can't live without you. Then you've got tattoos. Amakamanmatota. Kuwe.
Yamlimaza kakhulu lonto.
You fall in love in 4 months. There's the proof.
When ubuye ephi Bhele?
There's the proof.
Ubuye ephi wena? Ubuye ephi?
I never just jumped. She knows. I spoke to her. I went home. Yes, I had relationships when I was home. And I shared that with her. And I even tell her that I despise that moment.
I think kuzofuneka ngoku ingenelelwe i-marriage counseling.
Friend,
just for kids. No, you guys have kids, friend.